And now today we'll discuss about the inbuilt functions of the Matlab, which will be useful for us. And now here you can see the max and min. These two will you also see in the Python also. And it will max means it will use the maximum value of that array or numbers or a list. And minimum means it will give a minimum number. After that here you can see the square root of. In this it will give the square root of that value. And the two both important inbuilt functions are who and whose. Who means it will give the variables which we have defined. Whose means it will give the variables memory allocated classes, their bytes and all the things will be given here for whose command. And now we will see that in the examples. After that here you can see the format short, format long, format bank. Here format short means it will give 4 decimal values. Format short means it will give 4 decimal values. Format long means it will be nearly 8 decimal values will be given. Format bank means it will give 2 decimal values. These three also we'll see in the Matlab examples. After that I have explained about the CLC means it will clear the command window. And then clear means I have defined clear all. If we use clear with some variable, then it will delete only that variable. These things I will show in the example. And now after that we will see exist. Exist means it will be used to check whether it is present or not. If it is present, then it will give boolean value true. It is not present means then it will give false. After that in global we will declare variables as a global and all, similar to Python. And then help means it will give the help of the topic, similar to Python. And then look for, it means it will search the help entries for the keywords present in that. And then it means it will stop the Matlab. I will show this in the last. After that display means it will display the things. I means it will create an identity matrix. These three will be important for the Matlab. And ones means it will create the matrix with all ones. Zeros means create the array with all zeros. Matrix or both are same. And then we will discuss these things in the Matlab. Let's go. Now here you can see the command window. Now first we will define a value that is a equal to 86 and then b equal to 20, something like that. Okay, now first we will see who, WHO, and type. Here you can see it will give the variables which present here, a and b are present, so it will give that. And when we press whose, then it will give a, b with the size and bit, how many bits it has taken, 8 bits it have taken, and the class it is doubled, and the attributes and all. Size is 1 by 1. Now we will define an array. C equal to 1, 2, 5. Now we have defined a matrix. Now we will use whose. Then here you can see C as 2 into 3, that is 2 by 3 matrix, and it have taken 48 bits and with double class. And now we'll use format long. Now okay, for using format short, we will want a matrix that is to use the format shorts. We need a decimal number. Now we will take it as 2 by 3 or 7 divided by 3. It will give a matrix, and it is now in format short. Now we will use format long. Format short is the default, so we can use format long. Now we have defined the format long, and now we will run again a equal to 7 by 3. Then it will, here you can see 2.33333, it will be given. Now we will use again format short. Then it will give only 4 decimal numbers. Now we will define format bank. And now we will define this again. Here you can see 2.33, only 2 decimal numbers have taken. And now here we have A, B and C values. Now we will clear only one value, that is clear. We will clear B value. And now here you can see the B value has been cleared. Now we will see who means it will give how many variables are present. A and C are present. After that we will use display, and inside the display, if you want any values, we can define A. Then it will display the value 2.33. And if you want to display any name, we need to define it as a string value, and it has given like this. Okay, and now we will see the I command. I of some value, that is 3,3. Now we will see the output here 1 1 1, and this is the identity matrix format. And now we will see zeros. Zeros of 3,3. Now here you can see all the zeros, and similarly we will see the ones of 3,3. And here you can see all the ones. You may have doubt why I am using only ones. If I try only 3,3, if I try 5,5, then here you can see that it will be with different columns, so it may be difficult to see you. If you want, you can extend this, then you can get that in the similar column. And here you can see I have extended a little bit, so it has given like this 1 2 3 4. If you make it bigger, then you will get all the 5 columns in one row. Okay, I think now we will see quit. Then the Matlab function has been closed. And thank you for watching my videos, and this is Dinesh Reddy signing out.